Are you not married yet? Too picky. وقت تیر شد. No one wants someone old. Expire شدی. Settle down.
Are you seeing anyone? Do you have girlfriend?
No, I'm single.
Good for you. You take all the time you need. Figure your life out. You are so young. من تو رو خیلی دوست دارم. تو پسر خیلی خوبی برای من هستی.
I finally got my PhD. I'm a doctor.
Why did you waste your time? و خلاص میکردی. باید که یک دکتر آرسی میکردی.
Are you in school?
No. I'm just chilling right now, to be honest, figuring it out. Maybe it'll work out, I'm not sure.
Everything you do is perfect. You are always successful to me. Take your time. Nothing you do can disappoint me. My perfect son.
Why are you showing so much skin? مردم چی میگن؟ چرا دی قسم کالا پوشیده ای؟ شرم نمیکنی؟ Cover up.
You are going out like that?
Of course, I'm sexy Nexy, huh?
Yes, you look so handsome. Look how confident you are. You are going to attract all the ladies.
Did you gain weight? You should stop eating so much.
وای چقدر وزن رفته بالا. تو رو خدا دیگه اینقدر زیاد نخور.
Oh wow, did you lose weight? That's good because you're getting so fast.
وزن کم کردی؟ چقدر خوب. دیگه داشتی خیلی چاق می‌شدی. همینجوری ادامه بده.